why I track Max to your hand and face that and spear in my hand.
You draw spear a lot, don't you?
I searched out the Megalos. Die slide out.
It mills the water and adds a controller. The water then
This is rabbit or windups?
Not windups.
Damn.
I didn't bring the rabbit in.
Any shoutouts, Aaron Furman?
Dogman 7 Furman.
Any shoutouts, Flamers?
Sean McCabe also.
Yeah, shout out to Sean McCabe, shout out to
my bud.
Smith, shout out to Steve Silverman.
Shout out to Sean McCabe.
Yeah, you're brothers. Except I don't have cancer.
What? No, fuck off.
And also shout out to you, Mark.
Thank you, Flamers.
Always a shout out.
What do you want to do then? How are you going to shout him out?
Oh, hard.
Hard.
Your last week was fucking real. How'd you do last week, faggot? Oh, hard.
Oh, hard.
Oh, hard.
Oh, hard is the phrase you say. Damn. Kept it away well and shit back up to 46 cards.
Is it really 46?
Yeah.
Take like a sand deck. What do you want? This guy?
No. Are you retarded? Anything?
That's good.
Torrential one time.
Yes, torrential one time.
Oh, you didn't say you're activating effects.
Wait, when you bring that?
Pay attention.
Oh, nice mystery you got there.
Good.
went into time because he was trying to just blind us. With the messenger. He's just trying to make it.
Yeah, man.
It's one of the only really bad
Yeah, woo.
Right, Mario? You guys ready?
Are you sure?
Sure.
His other targets are back.
and it's not English.
This ain't my first rodeo.
Did you win? It's good.
No, I play with a fucking idiot though. Like, I'll show you.
You're on Heroes or Zombie?
Yeah, here. Makes it feel better. I lost.
Alex Flamer.
I couldn't take it seriously. Like, I can play against you seriously.
You never play against Gus seriously.
Yeah, it's just like
You're talking shit the whole match.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, be honest, just drops.
Yeah, slams down the table, throws it at you.
Thought roller came out. I was like, shit, I haven't seen this start since 09. My deep person's not doing much here.
Oh my god.
So I judgment and he judgments, and I was like, well, guess I lost. Well,
He's just trying to get me right.
Yo, I run that.
Well, apparently he already lost.
Yeah, Versi, I thought he actually meant I got game break.
Well, blood
That's
sucks,
what I thought too.
I'm like, yeah, that's game then, yeah.
Yes. I thought he actually meant Magaki break, so I was like, I got this.
See, people do play that card in that deck. People do play that card in that deck.
If we win last shit. Flamers, it was gonna die in the end phase.
He wants to attack directly.
Attack. Forgot. Furman, I mean, Luke. I just forgot.
Anything else?
you got one trap, right?
Do I get the search too?
Yeah.
Spell cards. It's against YouTube.
Do you have any shouts, okay? Any shouts at all? Like you're the favorite person in this game? Oh, hard. Oh, God.
I'm not playing against it.
Yeah, when's that shit actually legal? Is it legal? Oh, alright. Very good. No one's just been degenerate enough to play that shit.
Aaron, is that like a year?
I want to.
Yeah, I got rid of all my fours.
Thank you.
I like four Megalos also.
I did this shit. I would agree with you. I just go
I don't know yet.
I just want to play.
I just placed the exceeds every time. It's like, you know what's going on here.
Oh, I definitely had better play. I am just retarded, YouTube. Yeah, you're
Alex.
yeah, man, you got play.
Yeah, kind of.
Damn.
It's actually good. Not so far.
Target.
You can target his carrier.
I didn't want to have any shifty plays.
If you summon a monster, they're more likely to summon.
What are you doing?
Search on factory.
Can you activate factory?
Yeah, activate factory.
What a cheater.
Jeff, I'm not trying to
Get that.
Cheats.
Oh, calling player cheater now.
Got you.
Is that money gone? That money's gone. I was worried.
Cards in hand.
One card, please.
Special summon a rabbit. Special summon another seconds in my hand. Here's the first one.
Oh shit.
You can't.
They can.
No, I already had a shark in my hand.
Don't you have to
Oh yeah, you drop it before you search.
do it before you search the package?
I haven't seen them all day.
Correct. You want? John, you want your turn. Okay, next one. What's up? Oh, good. Okay, so we're just like.
Easy magic.
Don't worry about that.
That means double sharks.
Go hard.
Yeah, man. That's good.
All fives.
Keep going.
Your turn.
Go hard. What? How new to YouTube can fix it for me. Go hard.
You'll be getting no more subs.
What?
You're getting no more subs back here, right?
No, YouTube actually fixes if it's like shaky or not. I can just film like a complete retard and still get fixed.
I guess that's how Asian Eyes gets it.
Damn.
It's how the videos actually look better.
That's how Asian Eyes gets it now. Where would you get off by flavors today?
I'm the 26th. Drop it. I'm at 4,000.
What he said. I heard Tears gets there.
The attack is here first.
Oh shit.
What's it?
Come on, please. It really doesn't matter what you do. Your play's got. Alex does. We're going to care anyway. Josh Carter. I think it's why
Oh shit.
I'm at 4,000 to your 58. Is that correct?
Dog means 7 Furman, everyone.
Yo, he remembers it. Did you check out my videos? Yo,
Yeah,
did
sure.
you really? Oh shit, yes. Go. Got some Yugioh, please.
Everest.
Ooh.
Of course.
This is his last card was. I told you.
Was it? Okay. Rulon Glaze. I'm pretty sure getting rid of Zenmates was the right choice.
I think it was too.
Yep. You could just draw good.
You could just know like wind it back.
It's good.
Yeah, you're good.
He doesn't play DD.
Good in the hood. Yo, why is everybody watching this? This is a fun game also.
Oh, because it's going on YouTube, that's why.
This is Pro Furman watching.
Watch it on YouTube.
We're playing.
I just want to get on Walmart.
No, not really. Look for 26, right?
26? 24. Yeah, man. I wish I could can draw my Pod Iris.
One day he'll be alright.
Or salvage.
Pod Iris and a salvage one time.
Hey, these cards are good. Is that your extra? Where are the white cards on top?
Tokens. So use my tokens, Mark.
Go.
Oh, that's that small shit, man. It works with that 7 years.
6 token, Furman.
Thanks. My other tokens are my other cards.
First time I'm like,
No face?
My turn?
You're 38, right?
Man, what a rip.
Nice. Are you doing anything to the summon?
flavor style on you?
Yeah, Flamer's getting in there.
14. I get there sometimes. Go.
Get rid of that factory. Oh shit, got the other.
Yes! Double search! Kill? Yeah, well, you can't win all of them. Yeah, this is just game 1.
This is a long game 1.
I wish I could draw my 5 Iris and so much card advantage. I have 6 cards in hand. I just need a Pod Iris.
Alright, go.
It is.
Hey guys, what are you doing? EKS page?
Nope.
You have your own YouTube account?
I do.
Yeah, Mark. Tell me what it is. I'll subscribe to you.
It's Yugioh King 1996.
Yes, all right. No lie, I will be on.
Discard.
Should I just go for a long shot? Go for a long shot. Something.
Great.
It wasn't game. He was